Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Here's a little secret other sites won't tell you. These days, it's difficult to find a truly bad new car. Why? Manufacturing processes, build materials, quality assessment, distribution, basically every element of automotive construction, has improved dramatically in the last 2 decades, meaning the vehicles on sale today are the most reliable cars in history. With few exceptions, anyone can walk onto a lot, pick out a new car, and wind up with a reasonably trouble-free product for the first several years of ownership. Yet automakers do still define themselves by how long their new products act like new products. More commonly, we call these vehicles reliable. There are more than a few organizations that make it their business to weed out the reliable from the maintenance disasters, but for our purposes of choosing today's most worry-free vehicles, we'll refer to a mix of Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and our own hands-on assessments. Despite its mildly complicated powertrain, when compared to an internal combustion engine, the Toyota Prius is as basic a form of transportation as it gets. The Prius is appealing for several reasons, but its highlights include an affordable starting price, excellent gas mileage, and hybrid class-leading reliability. Toyota recently updated the Prius with a stiffer platform, wild styling, improved battery technology, and a more efficient 4-cylinder engine. The tweaks make the Prius a better value proposition than ever before. It also received an interior makeover which classes up the cabin considerably to accommodate those that spend hours each week behind the wheel. For a small premium over the standard hybrid, the plug-in Prius Prime provides 25 miles of pure electric range, 55 city/53 highway/54 combined MPG, and 640 total miles of driving range. An electric motor and a battery add components that will need to be replaced after several years, but the added efficiency more than justifies the Prius as a great buy for those in search of a reliable commuter companion. Chevrolet's second-generation Cruze Compact is a massive leap for the automaker as it tries to compete with class leaders like the Honda Civic, the Ford Focus, the Toyota Corolla, and the Mazda 3. With the new steel and aluminum structure, the Cruze has shed 250 pounds and has a 27% stiffer chassis, meaning it's more enjoyable to drive and more efficient. Every Cruze comes with the turbocharged 1.4-liter 4-cylinder rated at 155 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. With 42 miles per gallon highway fuel economy and an upscale design, it presents strong arguments to win the hearts and wallets of compact car shoppers. Those looking to trim their fuel bill can check out the 1.6-liter turbodiesel engine available at an extra cost. It delivers 137 horsepower, 240 pounds-to-foot of torque, and 52 miles per gallon on the highway. Best among the Cruze's features is its connectivity equipment. A standard Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive MyLink infotainment system helps the Cruze appeal to socialites. Cutting-edge technology will keep the Cruze relevant for longer than its competition, and its noticeably improved build quality means a more durable vehicle. Lexus may be taking a risk with its latest design language, but that doesn't mean owners should have any concerns about reliability. Beneath its spindle grille and sweeping bodywork, the modern Lexus GS is every bit as dependable a luxury car as previous generations. While some competitors suffer from electrical issues or mechanical failures, the GS offers class-leading comfort with the peace of mind that comes from a Toyota product. The Lexus GS won't win any drag races if stacked against BMW's 5 Series or Mercedes-Benz's E-Class. But if it's an endurance battle covering hundreds of thousands of miles, Lexus GS drivers can relax in their plush leather cabins while parts start failing on the competition. Additionally, if you really need to move quickly, the GSF offers a 5.0-liter V8 with 467 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-foot. More important to most luxury car buyers, however, is ride quality. Here, the GS jumps to the front of the pack, with one of the most compliant, well-dampened rides you can find, at any price point. Inside, the GS is a mix of analog and digital, with a contemporary driver display next to a more lackluster infotainment system. Tech aside, the GS boasts a clean, sharp interior design. Audi's Q5 and Q7 SUVs offer sophisticated driving dynamics, clean interiors, and sleek styling, but their prices transcend mass-market affordability. With the introduction of the Q3, Audi delivers that same blend of refinement, styling, and performance in a smaller, more affordable package. The Q3 is still a luxury vehicle, but drivers will experience the meaning of the word and how the car looks and feels more than how it's priced. With 200 horsepower available via a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, power won't blow anyone away, but with broad application of this engine throughout Audi's stable, it has proven reliable and fun. Front-wheel drive comes standard, along with HID headlights, LED taillights, heated power leather seats, my infotainment, and a panoramic sunroof. Quattro all-wheel drive is available. Interior volume is limited in the Q3, but it's still possible to pack 5 passengers and a few suitcases inside. We predict its top-notch build quality, proven engine, and clean design will stand the test of time well. In truth, Toyota could fill this entire roster of reliable vehicles, but its purpose-built models are most impressive. The 4Runner SUV has always been a dependable off-roader with incredible versatility, but these days, it's become a dual-purpose machine. The rugged potential remains, and has even increased, but the move-up market also introduces the 4Runner to upper-middle-class errand runs and dinner dates. Styling hasn't changed much in the last 3 decades. The masculine, boxy design remains, but refinements to body moldings, trim, wheel designs, and fascias make the 4Runner look appropriate in any setting. Power comes exclusively from a 4.0-liter V6 that serves up 270 horsepower and 278 pounds-to-foot via a 5-speed automatic. Rear-wheel drive is standard on entry-level models, but all-wheel drive with advanced off-road hardware is available. It may not be fast, and the interior may feel dated, but the 4Runner can always be counted on to get you to, up, down, and from the mountain in quiet comfort. With a durable truck platform, high resale value, and generations of 4Runners to prove its dependability, buyers won't regret choosing it. The Civic Sea has been a staple of the sport compact scene for decades, offering buyers an affordable performance car with the same reliability as the standard Civic. The Sea was redesigned for the 2017 model year, moving on to the new 10th generation Civic platform. It's currently available as a coupe or sedan. The new chassis is both lighter and more rigid than the previous generation, which should help to improve performance. Honda also gave the Civic Sea its first turbocharged engine, which is an evolution of the 1.5-liter four-cylinder used in the standard Civic. It produces a healthy 205 horsepower and 192 pounds-to-foot, which is sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. The Civic Sea also looks the part, thanks to more expressive styling than previous generations. A revised front fascia, 18-inch wheels, a rear spoiler, and a polygonal exhaust outlet set the Sea apart from other Civic models. On the inside, the Sea and other current-gen Civics are remarkably roomy, and can sport quite an array of features when all of the option boxes are ticked. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.